I'm testing every cookie recipe on the internet. Today we have King Arthur's 1200 iteration recipe. Then I'll drop my recipe that tops them all.
Angels lie.
Apparently it took 1200
BBC certified.
Yeah.
Flavor's a cool 8.5.
Okay, 7 on texture. What about flavor?
I agree with that.
All right, 7 texture, flavor 8. Overall, what would you say?
7.5.
Texture's 10 out of 10. Flavor is like a 7.5. Overall, I give it like a 7.
I'm in the opinion that there's no bad cookie, but this cookie's pretty mid. It's about a 6, 7. Oh, that was unintentional. 6.5 for me.
Next challenger, Naveen.